2, 1, go!
And we are back under the sea with all 6 robots moving on the field. Team 6340, the Mercer Manatees, line themselves up for a coral on level 4 as their alliance partner IHOT attempts to get one on their own side. On the blue lines, all 3 robots are currently around their coral reef, with Team 3635 getting those coral up on top of level 4. As we enter the tally-up portion of the match, the Blue Lions takes an early lead of 27 points to the Red Alliance is 17. Team 1414 and 5074 are loading themselves up in the coral station, dropping them on with 5074, dropping them onto the trough, and IHOT placing it on top of level 4 for 5 points for the Red Alliance. On the blue line, Team 3635 getting a coral from the Gear Bears human player as the Gear Bears place a coral on top of level 4, with the Flying Legion right behind them placing it on level 3, with Circuit Runners following them placing it back on level 4. On the Red Alliance, IHOT has lined themselves up as Mercer Manatees reload to place it all the way back up on level 3. Team 5074, the Robo Mustangs, are currently lining themselves up trying to deliver that coral into the trough for 2 points. Unfortunately, it was just not quite enough and falls back down to the ocean floor. Team 9480, the Gear Bears, are all the way up, trying to reach the ocean surface, trying to get that coral level 4. And they successfully got it for 5 points as IHOT does the same for their own alliance with the Mercer getting right behind them. As we're halfway through the match, the Blue Lions has the lead of 81 to the Red Alliance is 55 points. Team 5074, the Robo Mustangs, are currently stalling in the whirlpool as they make their way over to the coral loader station. IHOT almost completing that top portion of level 4 for the Red Alliance side as the Blue Lions has 3 left to go. Team 5074, the Robo Mustangs, are making their way back over to the human player station as IHOT beats them to it to get another coral into their feeder. Team 9480, the Gear Bears, completing that top of level 4 as quick as they can. With only 40 seconds left remaining in the match, IHOT is trying to see if they can complete that top of level 4, earning another 5 points for their alliance. Team 6340, the Mercer Manatees, make their way back to the coral reef, going all the way to level 2 for 3 points for their alliance as IHOT tries to see if they can load in some more coral into their robot. Team 9480, the Gear Bears, are trying to load that last coral on top of level 4, and they do it successfully. With only 20 seconds left remaining in the game, the Blue Lions is in the lead of 135 points as the Mercer Manatees line themselves up for a deep paying for 12 points. The Gear Bears are doing the same for their Blue Lions as IHOT tries to place the last few corals of the match. The Mercer Manatees are in the air. Gear Bears still seeing if they can try to make contact with it, and as time runs up, all 3 robots on the Red Alliance side have successfully parked, with only the Gear Bears and 3635 getting those parking points. And the scores are in. The fisherman from the deep, and it's going to go to the Blue Alliance with a final match score of 146 to the Red Alliance's 115. The Blue Lions can take 5 ranking points away from this, raising all of their ranks up, and the Red Alliance is still going to earn those 2 additional ranking points.